In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip a page in Canva. If you want to change a design from one orientation to another, like turning a portrait layout into landscape or the other way around, Canva makes that process very simple. The easiest way to do it is by resizing the page and swapping the width and height values. Start by opening your Canva design. Make sure you're inside the project you want to edit so you can see the current page and its existing layout clearly. This is important because you'll be using the current dimensions as the basis for the flipped version. Next, look over to the right side of the Canva editor and find the resize option. Click on it to open the resizing panel. This is where Canva lets you adjust the dimensions of your design, either by choosing from preset formats or by entering your own custom size. Once the resize menu appears, you may see suggested sizes. In some cases, Canva will already show the reversed version of your current design size. If that option appears, you can simply select it to save time. If you don't see the size you need, click Custom Size instead. That gives you full control over the page dimensions and is the best option if you want to manually flip the layout. Now, take the current width and height values and switch them. In other words, the number that was in the width field should go into the height field, and the number that was in the height field should go into the width field. This is what changes the page orientation. For example, a tall design becomes wide, and a wide design becomes tall. After you've swapped those values, review them once more to make sure they're entered correctly. A small mistake here can give you the wrong format, so it's worth taking an extra second to confirm everything looks right. When you're ready, choose either copy and resize or resize this design. If you want to keep your original version and create a new flipped copy, use copy and resize. If you want to apply the change directly to your current project, choose resize this design instead. Once you click your preferred option, Canva will update the page for you, and that's it. You've successfully flipped your page in Canva by reversing the design dimensions. It's a quick and practical method whenever you need to adapt a design for a different format or orientation.